5 shocking map marketing secrets. My name is Charles Draven from mapsyndicate.com. This video was created with people that are just starting out online, trying to find a way to make some extra income. So if you are in this situation, I want to help you out. I've been building businesses online for well over a decade. This is one of my multiple YouTube channels, and I operate multiple websites. And this one specifically is focused on mapsyndicate.com. So let's go ahead and get started, and I'll provide you with details on how to make money the simple way. So if you have thought about building up a business, one of the easiest ways is through affiliate marketing. And the reason being is that you don't have to buy any products. You don't have to stock stuff in your living room or in your bedroom, in a warehouse, no inventory. You don't have to design your product. You don't have to figure out how to create it, develop it, don't have to outsource it. You can get started by promoting other people's products, especially products and systems that are proven to sell online. That is the easiest way. Another thing is that there are so many niches online, so many industries, verticals where you can make money online, but to keep it very simple, there are 3 major ones: health, wealth, and relationships. Those have existed since the beginning of time. And if you're all about making money online, one of the top ones is to help other people make money online. So that is the MMO niche, making money online. That is one of the core niches that I focus on. I have been in so many different niches, have promoted probably well over 1,000 products by now. And that spans even from mattresses to even pet products. So many different things. And one of my favorite niches is MMO, making money online. And here you could you could focus on promoting products that have already been created. And the niche has already been chosen. It's a proven niche. And this presentation reveals how you can use organic marketing strategies used by MAP and many others. This system created by digital marketing veterans Omar and Melinda Martin and John Thornhill. So let's go ahead and get started here. When I got started, I probably had several dozens of links on my website promoting all these different products. And it makes things very difficult, especially when those links change over time. And so one of the simplest ways to actually build a business is by promoting one link. And MAP has identified that. And so they created this one link system. All you have to do is promote one single link, even for the long term, boosting conversion rates and minimizing confusion. No matter how big your YouTube channel is, your social media account, your blog, whatever platform you're using, no matter how big it is, you can do well just promoting one link. It's a very streamlined approach, and it works seamlessly across various platforms, from email lists, social media, as I mentioned, YouTube channels, blogs, whatever type of content helps you promote your products and services. Amplify your reach with social media. So this is one killer approach. It's one of the top strategies now for people that are trying to make money on a budget. Why is that? It's because when people were creating, like, let's say, content on blogs, that was great years ago. But as you probably know right now, a lot of people find content articles through Google, but now things are changing. AI is becoming more used more in people's lives. And so even Google is changing their approach on how they're providing content to other people. So nowadays, social media and YouTube, those are some of the big places to promote your content, to actually create content on, just like I'm creating content right now, showing it to you through this video. And so social media is one of the big approaches that you could use. And it doesn't matter if you're using whether it's Instagram, Facebook, X.com, or even some other video or image focused social media engines. Main thing is that you can build authority without paid advertising, and MAP will provide you with training, and you can get started for free. And I'll provide you with a link later on in the description that I'll talk about soon, because I'm going to provide you with more if you continue along And so now let's talk about this framework. And it's something that I use. It's a recycling framework where you get one piece of content and you could use that piece of content and multiply it out to multiple platforms. And for example, I could have this video here, and then based on this video, I can create content like social media posts to promote the video. Same thing with articles and emails. It's a very efficient strategy which maximizes your content's reach, and it can save you a whole bunch of time and a bunch of money as well. Let's talk about the no email list strategy. So if you are new to email marketing, I'll just relate it to old school marketing first, offline. Let's say we forget about the internet. When I was building up my financial consulting business in the days, many years ago, I was building up my database of contacts, people that were potential customers and also my customers. And so that could have been stored, whether it's on a notepad, in an Excel spreadsheet, in a database, whatever that list is. Nowadays, it's easier to do online through automation and using something called an email list. But the thing is, most people do not have an email list. And some people think that you need this big contact database to make money. Here's the thing. You could generate income without a massive email list using MAP's innovative no list strategy. Just connect with established MMO niche influencers who already have large audiences, and you could learn effective communication techniques to secure promotional opportunities and expand your reach. And one of the things that I do is that I'm doing this approach right now behind the scenes, and I'm learning a lot. And so it's something that if you have any questions, I'm here to help you along the way. I've been testing out a wide variety of strategies, and I can let you know what I've learned as well. So that is one of the key strategies. Consistent action. Just keep in mind that all this stuff, it might seem like a big deal, but if you could just spend 15 minutes a day, that's bare minimum, where you could focus on high impact activities. They compound over time. I relate this to the snowball effect. Just start off small, and even though you use only 15 minutes a day, whatever you've done in the past, as long as you focus on high impact activities, it will compound over time and bring you larger results in the future. This is a structured approach which eliminates guesswork and promotes consistent progress. And the cool thing here is that you get to connect with a community as well as these marketing legends, Omar, Melinda Martin, and John Thornhill. And MAP distills complex marketing concepts into actionable steps, focusing on proven strategies. Remember, you get you get the chance to take part in this community where you can communicate with the founders of the system and others, including myself, and learn from the best and accelerate your affiliate marketing journey. So you could actually start this very simply today. And one of the things that I want to let you know is that MAP has this easy to sign up system where you could learn strategies for free, and you could create your own money-making venture. And I'm going to make it easier for you. If you go through the link in my description, I'm going to give you a PDF, and that's going to provide you with the foundations of what MAP is all about, how to make money, get a better understanding of what all this is about. And you'll also get access to information on how to even access my bonuses. So if you are interested in getting started for free, especially, and even learning and making money, getting access to these tools, resources, and training, then go ahead and check out the first link in my description, and I'll show you how. My name is Charles Draven from mapsyndicate.com. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch my video, and feel free to like and subscribe. I would highly appreciate it. Take care.